That is 1,300 RPM, which is the highest speed. This handle has to be held. There's a handle back and the back handle in the front here. Has to be held to run it up, or it slips out of gear. Not sure why, because it works fine to go down. It appears a little high because it's on a skid. The skid is 9.5 inches tall. And then you run it down without holding it. And you have the table runs back, powered. Everything's powered, I guess. Nothing that isn't, except this top piece is a manual slide. And then we can bring it back out. This doesn't operate when it's all the way out front. Move the camera over here so you can see the sides a little better. There's a handle right here that changes the gears for the speed of the table, and that is back here. I guess you'll be able to see it right there. Right here is the knob or the dial. It's broken and it's not very legible, but that is operated right here. And when you move that, the table moves now. You can see, I think you can see right there. Yeah. How much slower this turns. It's still running up, and you can still run the table out. See this turning. See this moving right here. It's just a slow speed. Like I said, you have to hold that to run up. And then on the other side, there's this handle right here. Moves very hard, but that will change the gearing for, it's like a high and a low. Oh, I guess my hammer's right here. It's a high and a low for the table, the gears overall. You can see the shaft right here. Change speed when this is flipped over. It actually moves pretty easily when it's not locked in with the pin, but that's the two different speeds for running the table. So there's that, and then we'll look at this right here. There's a handle right here for this is the gears for the mill head. It's all powered. And then pull the clutch and engage it. You can see it turning there. Right over here. All of the gears seem to work just fine. There's 675 RPM. go through all of them just to make sure. Start at 675, go to 840. $10.45. Go to 1300. $18. $22. And that's 22 RPMs on the head. It's very slow. 27. $34. $41. $51. $63. $78. $97. $122. $152. $188. $230. $286. Need a little more time before I engage it. $357. $445 is the next one. $550. $675. Whoops. Shifted a little too soon. We'll redo that just to make sure. Go all the way around to 550. There's 550 again. There's 675. We'll give it a second to shift. Yeah, it shifts all right. Go to 840. Needs more time. $10.45. Maybe it just gets in and out of gear harder than I thought. Either way, you can see that they all work. It's definitely not ideal to grind them like that. And there's 1300. And then you see the top here. This moves manually. It moves pretty easily, actually. So there's that. Take a look inside here. Speed calculator isn't very legible on everything, but this is broken, like I said earlier. There's a piece that I believe slides on right here.